Hi, everyone. My name is Bonnie. I'm the User Experience Specialist for the Master of Information program. I'm joined by my teammates, Kevin, who is from the ECE program, and Michael from the MIE program, and they're both programmers. As UX designers, we're always seeking to understand the user's experience with a product and determine if our designs matches their expectations and supports their goals. This is why we conduct usability tests. From interviewing 5 UX students, we discovered 3 goals they all shared when it comes to usability testing. Their first goal is to frequently test their prototypes throughout the design process. Their second goal is to test with many representative users, and their third goal is to gather the insights needed to improve their designs. We also spoke to some test participants, and it was evident that they all share 2 goals when it comes to completing usability tests. The first is to accurately follow all test instructions, and the second is to complete the test efficiently. To help UX students and test participants achieve their goals, we created a mobile app called Protosight. Protosight aims to allow UX students to conduct usability tests on their prototypes and provide them with the data needed to guide iterations and validate design decisions. The app also aims to create a clear and efficient test experience for the participants. To show you how we will achieve these 2 app goals, we will now do a demo for Protosight. Okay, so once we open the app and once we sign in, we are brought to the home screen. From there, we are on the Prototypes tab. We can start creating our interactive prototype by creating a Fab button down here, and we're gonna name our prototype Taste Test, which is the name of the app we're testing. Great, so now we can upload images from our photo library. I'm gonna pick these 8 photos. Once the images are uploaded, we can start creating an interactive prototype. So I'm going to select this photo and I'm just going to start linking it. So that photo should lead to this one, save. I'm just going to keep linking photos until we've created our prototype. Great, now we're done. We'll just save our project. We're brought to the home screen. From here, I can play the prototype to make sure it works. For the demo, we're just gonna assume that it's done correctly. We can go to the test tab and create our user test. So this is the prototype we're gonna base our user test from, and then we're gonna give it a test name. So let's just call it user test. Okay, so creators can create up to 3 tasks. For this demo, we'll just create 1 task. First, we're going to select the goal screen. The goal screen is a screen the participant should ideally end on for each task. Ending on the goal screen will help us determine task success. So that should be the goal screen, and then we're going to state the task scenario. The task scenario is a new taste evaluator has signed up to taste your pulled pork sandwich. And the user task is to create a new evaluator profile for Aria. And for creators can create up to 3 post-task questions. For the demo, we'll just create 1. And after we're done, we just save the task. And now I can generate the test code, copy it, and send it to my test participants. Kevin will be our test participant for today.
So, so I will be presented through the camera because one of the feature conflict with the Zoom sharing. So as I'm a participant, I don't have to log in. I just continue as a participant and then give it my name and get the code from Bonnie and enter it. And here's the list of 4 steps of instructions. You can either go over it or skip it. And here's the list of tasks. Since I only have 1 task, I will just go over it. And my task is to create a new evaluator profile for Aria. And once I start the task, you ask you to record your screen and as well as your voice. So I will start it and start now. Since it's on the pull port, I will click on the pull port and add and give it my name. And I think I need to add profile picture. So I might need to scroll down and then add image and then upload her image. And so I think I'm done. So once you're done, we have auto detection if you reach the goal screen, and then we'll just go next. And I think it's very easy. So I'll rate it at 1, and then I'll submit. And I'm done my testing. So the test result is sent back to Bonnie, and Bonnie will now show you the test result.
Great. So now that I've received the test results, I can go to the app, go to the test results. Here's Kevin's test result. From here, I can see the questionnaire response, and I can also see the task recording. So here I can hear Kevin's voice. You can't hear it because of Zoom, but I can also see the location of his screen taps. And that's it for our demo.
Yeah, so I will be talking about the structure of our app. The structure of Protosight consists of 2 major parts, creator side and participant side. Creator side has 3 functionalities: prototype creation, participant test creation, and test result view. Unlike participants, creators must register first to become one. Participant side only serves to enable participants to take the usability test shared with them by creators. All the data is stored on a centralized database to allow communication between creator side and participant side. In our, sorry, I think I shared the wrong screen here. So in our next step, we would like to continue working on hotspot removal, so then creator can edit their prototypes. For the test result, we would like to track whether the goal screen was reached and the number of participant screen taps and mistaps. Based on Protosight usability test results, the hotspot creation process is not intuitive for our users, so we would like to add a short tutorial video for new creators.
So as a team, we have learned the value of keeping meeting minutes as many decisions and apps updates were made during our meetings. Although it was a challenge initially, we also learned to prioritize the features needed for our minimum viable product over the nice-to-have features. As a specialist, Bonnie learned to review the feasibility of her app design with the programmers before conducting usability tests. As programmers, we learned about the value of proper UI design and the impact this has on the overall UX of the app.
That's it from us. We invite any questions or feedback.